So we can break apart to hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this, and I know.
Well, hello and welcome to the another video of Power BI Masterclass series. In this video, we will be creating our base measures, which we will be using throughout the video. So let's do that. Before that, I'll forgot to tell you that I didn't made any relationship between this dates table to the orders table. So let's do that. So I'll link this date table date with the orders table date order date. So I'll do that. So it is a one to many relationship. The rest is same. So now I'll go to report view. So let's create a base measure, which is first is we have total sales. So now we need total cost. So let's do that. So total cost, sorry, total cost equals to, let's go to the new line, that is sum x. Because we need to iterate over a table, so I'll use a orders table. And so the total cost means amount multiplied with the purchasing price. Simple. And I'll hit enter. Now let's create another measure, which is let's say total profit. We have total sales and total cost. Now let's create a total profit, which is simply the difference. Uh, Let's use total sales minus total cost and hit enter. Now let's create a total sales last year. Total sales, total sales last year equals to, I'll use calculate. Let's go to new line. Calculate what? Calculate total sales by trading a table called by the filter table. Filter expression, I'll add same period last year function. So which will return our last year. I need to pass the dates. So let's say dates table date. So what it does, it will calculate the total sales using same period last year, means it returns the last year. Simple. Let's close that. Let's copy this. So now we got the total sales last year. Let's create the same for total cost last year. Total cost, total cost. I need to calculate here the total cost last year. Same. Now let's create a total profit last year. Total profit. I need to replace this with the profit. Profit, and this is also total profit last year. Now, what I need? I need profit growth. Let's calculate the profit growth. Profit growth is simply the profit growth. Profit growth equals to total profit minus total profit last year. Total profit last year. So we got the total profit growth, which is divided by the total profit last year. Yes. You can use divide function also. Let's use divide. Divide numerator. This is the numerator and the denominator is this. I'll replace this. If we didn't got, I'll say no data. No data. Simple. Let's enter. Let's format this. Well, I need cumulative cells. Let's create that. Cumulative cells is simply the continuous cells. Means it is the sum of previous and the current cells. So cumulative cells, cumulative cells, cumulative cells equals to, I'll use a special function called total YTD. Total YTD, where it is, this. What it does, it evaluates the specified expression over the interval, which begins on the first day of the year and ends with the last day in the specified date column after applying. So I need what? I need total sales, use total sales, and I'll use the date stable date, date stable date. Yes, so it will calculate the cumulative sales using the date by filtering the date. So simple. And now, now we have all the measures which we want to create, and we want to use that throughout the video. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned.